Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. I would really love to engage with you guys in the comment section. And yeah, today I am going to be doing a quick tidy up. I had just come back from KZN with my sister, and I was so tired. Like, I was so tired. We left on Friday and we came back on Saturday, so the whole of Friday we were just on the road, and on Saturday we were on the road as well. Right after the funeral we drove back home, and it's quite a distance. I'm not sure how many kilometers is it from Gauteng to what is the nearest town? Because Besia Makaya, and I think the nearest town is Vryheid. Yes, Vryheid. And then from Vryheid, we take a off ramp to what is this? Glakstad. So if you live in Vryheid, you probably know um, where I'm talking about. Emakaya Bizogutuk Sozwatin. And it's quite a drive from the main road. It's we are Ozwatini from the main road. Ebuya Efraihead. It's gravel, like for about, it's a gravel road, and we drove for about 45 minutes to an hour. Like, it's really long. Like, and the thing is, you can't even drive fast because it's a gravel road, right? And it was late at night. I think we arrived in Vryheid around 9 o'clock. Yeah, I think 9 o'clock in the evening. And then to drive from, I forgot the main road that we used. I think EML Moth, that road. I'm not sure, but from that from that main road to Ozwatini, it took a while. It took a while. It's at night. It's gravel, so yeah, you need to drive slow. So yeah, it added to the many hours we spent on the road from Gauteng to Fryhead. So I was really tired, like really tired. Given the fact that we also woke up early in the morning on Saturday to go to the funeral, and right after that we had to hit the road. Like, oh, guys, I was so tired. But when I got home, I had to just tidy up a bit and make sure that the house is nice and clean, because on Sunday, usually when I come back from church, I just want to sit back and relax. I mean, I don't even cook on Sundays. So the house was in a bit of a mess, a couple of dishes to wash, mopping the floor, washing the not washing, but cleaning the toilet and the bathroom. The bedroom wasn't in a mess, so I was like, I'll see that on Monday, because I did clean before I left, so it was still no clean. So I was like, I'll see it on Monday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And then I also cooked after that. I was craving a nice home cooked meal. Actually, now that I think about it, I had been craving this meal, I think, the whole week, because I kept on saying, yo, I need to defrost the bones. I need to defrost them. I need to defrost them. And then for some reason, I forget. Oh, I also had a load of laundry that I wanted to wash. So meanwhile, I cleaned the areas that I wanted to clean. I was like, okay, let me just add a load of laundry. I think I only washed the clothes, the towels. I was like, hey, I'll see them on Monday. Guys, like I'm saying, I was tired. I was pushing myself at this point. So I was like, I'm a tawulang so like, I was really tired. I was really tired and pushing myself, because I knew that if I don't tidy up, at least just, clean up a bit, by the time it's Monday or Tuesday, it's gonna be worse. Like, the dishes would have piled up, the floors would have been very dirty now, and yo, then it becomes strenuous on me to ish. Yeah, so I wanted to at least pull izitsha and mop the floors and fold some laundry, or at least wash one load of laundry so that it doesn't pile up, and then umsebenzi uba mningi for mina. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. But anyway, yeah, I was saying I had been craving this meal, I think, the whole week. And Mangbuya was like, you know what, that's it. Today, ngiyawayenza, because I think I had defrosted them before I left. Yeah, I left them out of the fridge, and then I was like, yazi ngizowapheka mangbuya if I'm not too tired.
Calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're faded, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Been in hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're faded, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep
Anyway, I made some beef bones and some dumpling, and we also had it with leftover cabbage that my husband made himself the previous day. And yeah, that's what we had for dinner. After that, I had a shower and I went to sleep. I just wanted to throw myself on bed and yeah, just rest so that I woke up nice and fresh on Sunday to go to church and praise the Lord. Anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
out your name from the darkness, thinking